Hi everybody, thank you for watching and welcome back to my channel. To start off this Valentine's Day makeup look, I'm taking my Urban Decay primer potion and applying that all over her lids. To set her lid, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the banana shade. And then I am just brushing out her lash extensions with a clean spoolie. For eyes today, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia and taking the shades Burnt Orange and Raw Sienna on a big fluffy brush and applying that to her crease. Then I'm taking this warm orange shade right here and applying that to the outer third portion of her eye and her crease as well. Then taking this red shade just to warm it up a bit more. Cat break. That's my cat Bob. He's so cute. And then taking the darkest shade in the palette on a flat brush and applying that to her lash line. Then taking my Zodiac palette by BH, I'm using the shades Leo and Virgo, and applying that on a flat brush, and I did spray my Urban Decay setting spray just to amplify it a little bit more. I'm then taking this highlighting shade from the Anastasia palette and applying that to the inner thirds. Oh my god, inner corner, who am I? For liner today, I'm using the L'Oreal gel liner and applying a wing. Normally, I would do my client's eyebrows in the beginning of the video, but because I microbladed Keyana's eyebrows last week, they are still healing, so there will be no eyebrows in this video today. If you would like to see how we did her eyebrows, I will link Keyana's YouTube channel at the end so you can watch if you are interested. For her face primer today, we are using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so moisturizing and it smells like a vacation. For foundation today, we're using the Fenty Beauty foundation. Ayo! I can't remember what these shades were, but I will link everything in the description box down below. I am just using a damp beauty blender to apply this. For concealer, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium and applying that under her eyes, forehead, chin, and down the bridge of her nose, and blending everything out with a damp beauty blender.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone.
I'm then taking my Graphobian palette and using the shade Burnt Amber and applying that to her forehead, down the bridge of her nose, and the hollows of her cheeks just to cream contour a little bit. To set her face, I am using the MAC Skin Finish in the shade Dark Golden and just applying that all over with a big fluffy brush. I'm then taking my RCMA powder on my damp beauty blender and baking underneath her eyes, up the sides of her nose, and under her contour. And then just brushing all that away with a less dense brush.
I choke you down just like a pill.
For bronzer, I'm using my Too Faced Sweetheart bronzer. And for blush, I'm using my Too Faced Sweetheart blush. This is my favorite blush. It is so beautiful and so glowy. I'm applying that to her cheeks. For her highlight today, I'm using the Fenty Beauty in the shade Girl Next Door, I want to say. I'm applying that to the high points of her cheeks, her nose, down the bridge of her nose and her cupid's bow, and then blending it out a little bit with my damp beauty blender. Going back into my Renaissance palette, I'm taking the shade Red Ochre and applying that onto her lower lash line. And then just applying a black liner to her waterline and smudging it out with the dark brown shade in the palette. Applying some mascara. I felt like this look was looking a bit bland, so I decided to add some sparkle. I used my NYX liquid crystal liner just to cut the crease. To line her lips, I'm using the shade Nude Pink by NYX Cosmetics. And then for lipsticks, I cannot remember the name of this lipstick, but I will link everything in the description box down below. Alright you guys, and this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Please make sure to like and subscribe before you go. And if somebody hasn't already told you today, you are beautiful, you are amazing, and I love you. Bye guys!